Yo, what's up, everybody? Your boy's got to go drifting today, but I'm not trying to catch the coronavirus. I'm completely kidding, but today's Friday. It is the first day of Spring Break Bash. Got the car loaded up back there and whatnot, so we're about to head out. Got like a 2-hour drive. Been a little while since we drove OSW, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Got some merch with us, but overall just kind of stoked to get back on the skate pad, get some seat time with the boys. And car's doing good. It's held up 2 rounds of clutch kicker, so I think it's safe to say she's ready. But stoked. We're gonna head out soon. Kind of in a rush. I do want to stop and get some Chick-fil-A though, so we'll see how that goes. Again, CTSV for sale still. Somebody buy it. But yeah, car's loaded up and we're ready to go. So we will head out shortly and it should be a good time. That was pretty fine, bro.
Alright, I'll follow.
Yeah.
know where you were in your vlog, so
I was redoing my like pick it up at the track because I always forget to do it when I first get here. So
I can do mine too.
we'll do mine.
I need a new vlog.
Intro my vlog.
Hi, I'm Mr. Avocado's dad, and we've been together since he was born, roughly about a year ago, and that's about it.
That is about it.
Keep moving forward.
Okay. But yeah, so as always, I forgot to intro the first intro when I got to the track. So did the first session, it was really good. Car felt super good. Pretty much drove with everybody. Got some sick runs in with Steve. I'll show you his car in a second. He painted it. Got some dope runs with LZ and the Chaser. But first session went smooth. I know you guys saw the GoPro. We go out at like 7:30 again, so that should be sick. And then once we wrap that up, I think we're actually done for the night, and then we'll pick it up tomorrow. Where I'll probably just vlog for the rest of the night. I know we're going to get some food and stuff, so that should be sick. But I do want to take a second to show you guys Steve's car. Let me crank that shutter speed down. But Steve's car turned out so sick. It looks so good. It's such a sick color. Oh, and it looks insane. So it looks way better than my 3-color blank box. But yeah, so we'll pick it up on the next session. Hopefully everything will go good. Jin just got here, as you saw, so we'll get some good tandems in with him, and should be sick. What's up, guys? You are probably wondering how we jumped all the way to the hotel. Pretty much after that last session, which you guys saw at 7:30 or whatever, they didn't want to turn the lights on, or they didn't turn the lights on, or couldn't, or for whatever reason, lights weren't on. And it just got too dark, so they pretty much called it super early. So we headed out to Gringos Locos. I didn't vlog that, it was just the boys. And we're back here at the hotel, so I just wanted to pick up the vlog. That closes out Friday pretty much. It was a super good day. Not like a crazy amount of runs, but enough to kind of get comfortable for the weekend. Got some sick runs with LZ and like everybody else, so it was sick. Great driving with Steve. Yeah, so I'm also in the bathroom because the lighting's really good, but pick this up in the morning, and Saturday, the real day of Spring Break Bash, we'll start. So catch you guys tomorrow morning.